This gorgeous lip and cheek tint will last you up to 6 months. It is completely natural and it will last you all day on your skin.
Hi guys, my name is Immy and I'm a pharmacist obsessed with health, beauty and wellness. I love to try new products and post every single week, so make sure you guys stick around and subscribe to my channel.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing my lip and cheek tint recipe. Finally, it is time I shared it because this is something I have been trying to create for a really long time, and finally I have perfected it to the dot. So the reason I absolutely love lip and cheek tints are because they look really natural, they blend in with your skin, but they still make you look fresh and glowy. This lip and cheek tint is 100% natural and it will definitely last for up to 6 months. You do not need to keep on making it. It is super inexpensive to make as well, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make it according to your skin type. So I know that we are people of all colors and we are all beautiful the way we are, and of course, like, blush is something so personal. Some people like something light pink, some people like something a little bit more red, some people like something with a peachy tone, a bit of orange. So we are going to be playing around and you can make your very own personalized lip and cheek tint at home, 100% natural. So the base ingredient that I recommend getting is beetroot powder. Now I actually found this beetroot powder in my grocery store, and I go to a grocery store called Springs in Karachi. They do carry a lot of like health food products. They carry a lot of international brands. So if you go to a place like this, you will definitely find this beetroot powder, or you can definitely get it from a health food store for sure, and I'm sure you will find it online. Now the reason beetroot powder is so amazing is because you can actually drink it for clear skin. I shared a clear skin glow juice not long ago, and beetroot was one of my main ingredients. So according to your skin type, you can use turmeric to make it a little bit more peachy, and if you want it to be a little bit more lighter, you can add in a little bit of talcum powder. So we can play around with the color and, you know, seriously play around until you get your natural color. The one I use has a tiny bit of turmeric in it, and I feel like it gives me a healthy peachy glow. I do have it on my skin right now. I've got it on my lips as well. I've got it on the tip of my nose, and you cannot tell if you are wearing a store-bought blush or a homemade blush. So the reason I love this is because it is not going to harm our skin. It doesn't have any chemicals, and the base ingredient other than the beetroot powder and the other powders is aloe vera gel. So not only are you doing like skincare, you're doing skincare and makeup in a jar. It's crazy. So the other thing we need is glycerin. I do recommend using vegetable glycerin. It will last you for so many other things as well. Just get a big bottle and keep it in your pantry. And the other thing we're going to use is a little bit of rose water, just to make it a little bit more watery. You can really play around with the texture. When I first made this, I did have a lot more aloe vera gel because it was like really, I don't know, it was wintry here, and I didn't want it to be that runny on my face. But now I have added a little bit of rose water and it is just perfect. It's the perfect texture. For me, it actually is the exact same texture as the Benetint and Gogotint, which I absolutely love and I shared in my last video. So we want 1 tablespoon of the beetroot powder, and you only need a tiny bit of turmeric powder if you are making this. A pinch is more than enough. And also if you want to add talcum powder, really just add it slowly and see the color how it is. So we want to add 2 teaspoons of aloe vera gel, 1 teaspoon of glycerin, and a few sprays of our rose water. When that is mixed really well, you can put it into a container. I just put it into a jar like this, and it is ready to use. You do not need to put it in the fridge. You do not need to store it special. I put it in my makeup bag, and guys, this is the beautiful glow that I get. It also gives your skin a natural highlight because of the glycerin. So definitely do try my remedy out. It is the best lip and cheek tint you will ever find on the market and also online. I know that no one has a recipe like mine. So I need you to give my video a big thumbs up and also subscribe if you have not already, because I do post weekly. And on that note, I'm gonna say goodbye. Thank you guys so much for watching till the end. Take care, guys. Bye.